Hey everybody, it's Brandy from Maritarotjuana. Today's date is March 27th, 2019. And again, today's going to be just another general tarot read. If it resonates with you, great. If not, then it's not for you. Um, you know, um, there could just be different scenarios for each card. So just because I give you an example, like if it seems like it's pertaining to something else and like you just know, then that is for you. But you know, don't try to like make it fit. So anyway, that's all I wanted to say. So I hope everybody's doing well. I'm gonna make this, work on another YouTube video, and then write on my vlog. My husband's at work, the kids are at school, Trevor is with his dad and doing his schoolwork because he does the whole cyber thing. But he's coming home today. So, but anyway, so let's see. Shuffling the cards, trying to see whose energies are coming out, what the universe has to tell somebody about whatever situation. Somebody might need to hear something. Not what they want to hear, but, what they need to hear. So, anyway. And don't forget, you guys, I know a lot of you will watch me not comment, but you will write me on Facebook, which is cool too. I don't mind. I'm just saying, like, if you have questions, just ask them, I like being the first fucking comment on shit, so but that's me, Especially if you're into something. Who gives a shit what someone might think, Oh, so let's keep going. Ready? Let's see what the universe has got to say to somebody regarding whatever matter. So we have a 3 of Cups, some kind of celebration. But it's in the reversal position. So to me, what I would say is because it's in the reverse position, so this event or celebration that's coming up might be beneficial, but it might not necessarily, see, I'm saying that wrong. So it's supposed to be like an exciting type thing, but someone's looking at it like, I really don't want to do this for whatever reason, but let's just keep going. The Empress. So again, another reversal position. So maybe with this celebration comes the responsibility of booking or maybe the financial responsibility until maybe someone, like people get together. Maybe there's some kind of charge. Maybe you're trying to figure it out. But, whoever you are, the Empress and then the 3 of Cups, I bet that you're really good with like hosting events and whatnot. But maybe it's just really big, or to you maybe it's not a fun event but you have to do it, maybe because like you're the patriarch or whatever. Maybe you have to host a Sunday dinner like the first of the month or something. I'm not really sure. I'd love to do that, but people don't come to my fucking parties because I guess I'm boring. But anyway, that's because they don't come to the tarot parties. I think I might start hosting that. You know how people sell fucking bags? Nah, I'm gonna start selling just tarot card readings at parties. I think that'd be cool. Anyway, so back on to the Knight of Swords. So you have a young man. There's maybe it goes along with this not so happy celebration, and maybe this gentleman or this masculine energy is coming in to with the fast decision making. Maybe you should look around and ask some questions, especially people that seem to be able to take charge. Swords are affiliated with like intellectual things, like decisions, big things. So if it's a Knight, they're coming in fast, like, they're not slow, steady. It's like fast, click, 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 go, go, go. Don't blink your eye type thing. The Devil. So, and the Devil's actually in the reversal position. So going along with that, everybody thinks the Devil's bad. Sure, it's not the greatest card, but, people act like they're stuck in a certain situation, but in all reality, they're really not. I think it just has to do with like the outlook, and your outlook, I'm sorry, or that person's outlook on the situation, on the whatever choice, decision. Maybe because they have to host this celebration, you're feeling like you have to, or maybe you have to do it a certain way, or some kind of thing a certain way. You don't necessarily have to do what you feel right, especially if you're the person that is making all these decisions. It doesn't fucking matter. You know what I mean? If it's you and you know that you're going to be there and you're planning it, you're this, you're that, then, and nobody wants to help out, then I would say fuck it. Do it yourself. You know what I mean? You don't gotta listen to everybody because ain't nobody there helping you. Or on the flip side, you could just be like not asking people just because you don't like want them around. You know what I mean? That's probably what's fucking you up in the first place. But anyway, so, with the devil being reversed, it's like jealousy. Maybe are you jealous that someone is hosting something and you're not? Are you jealous? Is there some kind of trouble with this celebration that's coming up? It could be, something's just like holding you back from something really, or you are holding yourself back, or it looks like you're being held back, but when it's just you. I'm not really sure. Let's just go a little bit further. So the Chariot. So you might be moving. Maybe you're resisting that move. Maybe that celebration is like a going away party, and maybe you just don't want to be there. Maybe you figure if you don't show up or whatever it is, then it doesn't affect you. Like, you know what I mean? Like it doesn't bother you. That person then is just like, I don't know. That's not for me to decide. Somebody is going through some kind of celebration type thing. Okay. Like I said, it could be a family reunion, it could be college, it could be uh, whatever the fuck kind of thing it is, somebody would celebrate, and you or the other people are looking at it like it's not a celebration. Um, and someone is acting like that they have to either go along with this and they don't. Maybe they're dragging their feet or they see it as trouble, something like that. But then you have this masculine energy just like fucking riding on in, making all your decisions. So let's temperance. So maybe with the moving and this celebration, maybe got lack of funds. You know, um, Maybe you're testing the waters, or maybe someone's testing their waters. Maybe they're trying to see how far they can push the situation until you can't push it anymore. It could just be you spent money, hey, that you had but you didn't really have. Maybe you didn't look at that budget the right way. Not sure. Let's see. The Hermit. Maybe you're feeling lonely, unattached. Maybe you need to take time to do that soul searching about this celebration. It could just be a celebration of life. Like maybe someone passed away. My Aunt Gloria just passed 2, 3 days ago. I should be hearing about the funeral. So, maybe this is regarding some of them with these big, final decisions. I'm not really sure, but I just, for some reason, just thought of that. So it probably wasn't my thought. I'm just picking up spirit. I don't know. I haven't had any dreams about Aunt Gloria. So, you know, um, I'll probably talk, maybe I'll talk to her at her funeral, might see her. But again, that's just me. I'm just telling you what I got. But anyway, so this person that's in charge of this celebration of whatever it is, party, event, uh, or whatever they're organizing, just take some time alone to, look at that situation. Um, maybe you're just feeling a certain kind of way about it. I'm not really sure. I'm just going to go a little bit more about this situation. There's some kind of money coming, or possibly um, like a wish being granted. Never know. It's all about what you manifest, you know? Are you a happy-go-lucky person? Are you always like, woe is me, everything's a fucking conspiracy, blah, blah, blah. Then you have the Hierophant. So, you know, it says like marriage, government, things like that. I would say that this money situation that's coming or this wish has some. Now, again, it was in the reverse position. So, you know, somebody is in charge of this money. Maybe it's like a disability check. Maybe it's a veteran's check. Maybe it's, um, you know, like insurance, something, some kind of beneficiary, some kind of retirement. You know, maybe it's just like some kind of situation, and it seems like it's taken forever to come through for you or to manifest or whatnot. And then you have new beginnings, birth, new ideas or creation. So maybe, you know, this celebration is someone's the going away, or, you know, maybe this is a new adventure for somebody. Maybe, you know, this could be retirement. You know, maybe the government, maybe they fuck. Maybe they retired from a civil like servant type job. Maybe pensions. Maybe, you know, something's changing. Something's in the works. I'm not really sure for whom it's for. It could be for anybody, you know. It don't resonate with me, so I'm pretty sure it's not for me, but you never know. Who's to say? If it is for one of my people on my other side, can you like hit me up and let me know? You don't have to comment. You can just write me on Facebook because I know that's how you like to get a hold of me. And then, so you have all these fears and frustrations that maybe you're going to overcome from this, whatever process it is. You know, remember, progress, baby steps, little bits at a time, chisel away. You don't have to, you know, fucking take a jackhammer to whatever the situation is. If you're moving, just and you're aware of it, do it little paces, you know. I mean, like little increments. Especially if it's like a move that's coming up in 6 months, pace yourself. If you need some help with that, hit me up. I'm really good with time management. Some days, as long as I write it down. So then the Ten of Wands. Hard work, determination gets you exactly what you want, exactly what you deserve. You know, don't pray for something, manifest it. Like put it out there like you already got it and why you deserve it. Because you are good, because you are full of light, you are full of love, you are deserving of good universal energies. You're a good person. Blah 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 blah. Y'all already know this, so but that's all I got for you. You know, if it seems like it resonates with you, hit me up, comment. I don't fucking care. Just get a hold of me and we can take it a little bit further. All right. All right, y'all. That's all I got. Thanks for tuning in. Deuces.